Good morning. My name is Lacey Gable, and today I'm going to explain to you how to create a blank PowerPoint presentation. The first thing that you need to do is you need to decide on a template that you will use for your PowerPoint presentation. You first need to decide on a title slide that you would use. There are two main options. The first option is what I'm pointing to right now. This includes a title probably and also a subtitle. Usually what this is used for is someone will insert the title of the slide, and the subtitle is usually a key area of what the title is dealing with, or it is also the person's name that it is presenting. The next thing you need to do is you need to insert a new slide. To do that, you will click on Insert on the top of your toolbar, and you will drag your mouse down to New Slide and click on that. After you do that, you can either keep the template that comes up on your screen, or there are many other different layouts that you can use. First of all, some of the layouts that you can use are just content-based. This means that they are either graphics, charts, pictures, etc. You can see some of these on the screen that I'm pointing to right now. If you go down a little farther, there are also many other different choices that you can choose from. Some of these include pictures along with their captions. An example that I really like that you could use, for example, in a statistics class, since I am studying to be a math teacher, is, as you can see, this slide includes title, text, and a chart. What this means is that if I was doing a study and I had found out the facts or the details that my study found out, such as in a statistics class, then I could use this graph to explain the data that I observed. I could put the data over here where it says click to add text, and I can insert a chart which represented the data. And I think that's a great idea because it would help us get a visual representation of what we found in our study. Another thing that is also great about presentations is that there are many different views that you can use. If you follow my mouse, you can see that I am pointing to the icon that represents the normal view. The normal view is where you can work on one slide at a time or organize the structure of all the slides in your presentation. The icon that is right next to this is the slide sorter view. The slide sorter view displays miniature versions of all slides in a presentation, complete with text and graphics. In slide sorter view, you can record slides, add transitions, and animation effects. You can also set the timings for electronic slideshows. The last icon that I will show you today is the slideshow view. If I would click on this view, as you can see, this will show your slideshow in a full screen, beginning with the current slide if you are in slide view, or the selected slide if you are in a slide sorter view. If you simply want to view your slideshow from the first slide, you need to go up to your menu bar and click Slideshow, and you need to go down to View Show. And this will show your slideshow on your full screen. If you want to escape from this, then you just press your escape key on your keypad. Okay? There are also many different toolbars that the PowerPoint presentation program enables us to use. First of all, you can draw. You can draw many different shapes. You can also insert text boxes. Text boxes are also a great way to add captions to pictures. You can also insert a picture. You can also insert word art, WordArt is an excellent program. It's a program that you can make the words, like your titles, very, very bold and vibrant, and so your audience pays more attention to them, and they know that it is an important part of your presentation. Alright, the next thing that you probably want to do is you want to insert a background to your PowerPoint presentation. You could add a background to all of your slides, or you can add a different background for each individual slide. To do this, you will go click on the Format and the top of your toolbar. And you can go down to Slide Layout. Might take a second for you to get to that. Or you can also go to Format and Background, and that's usually probably much easier to do. After you get to Background, you will go down to the Fill Effects icon. Alright, first of all, the gradient is just deciding on your colors. You can have one color, two colors, or you can also use a preset background, and this is something that I use a lot of. You can also select the different shading styles. You can have horizontal shading styles, vertical, diagonal down, from corner, and from center. You can also select a different texture that you can use. There are a great variety of textures that you can use in your background. There are also many different patterns that you can use. And you could even insert a picture as your backdrop. Today I'm going to go use the gradient, and I will use a preset color. One that I am particularly fond of is the rainbow preset. So what you will do is you just click on the arrow going down, your drop down box, and you will just go down to rainbow. And I think I will decide, I think I like the diagonal up shading styles. So then I just click on the one that I want, and I click OK. And then I can either apply it to this individual slide or all slides, and I believe that I will apply it to all slides. But first of all, I think we should take a preview of what this will look like. So you would just click Preview. And if you don't like it, then you can hit Cancel. But I do like this background, so I will apply this to all. Okay. Excellent. This concludes my demonstration on how to complete a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.